In safety and security, a few elements are as crucial as emergency lighting. When the lights go out, whether due to a power outage or an unforeseen emergency, these basic systems and procedures guiding individuals to safety. In this video, we look into the intricacies of emergency lighting regulations, requirements, including technical specifications, testing procedures, and maintenance protocols. As we run through on the video, Bright Spark Electrical Services emerges as a trusted partner, committed to ensuring compliance and enhancing safety. Working within a 25-mile radius covering Tunbridge, Tunbridge Wells, Sevenoaks, and Crowborough. Understanding emergency lighting. This does encompass a variety of fixtures and systems which are designed to activate automatically during power failures or emergencies. These include illuminated exit signs, pathway lighting, and general illumination within buildings. The importance of emergency lighting cannot be overstated, as it plays a critical role in facilitating safe evacuation and guiding occupants to designated exit points. There is a regulatory framework in both the European Union and the United Kingdom. Emergency lighting is subject to stringent regulations and standards. Key regulatory documents include the Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005, the Building Regulations 2006, the Workplace Directive, and British Standard BS 5266. These regulations mandate the installation of emergency lighting in various types of buildings, including hotels, schools, hospitals, offices, shops, and multi-story dwellings. What to understand about the emergency lighting regulations? Ensuring compliance with standards, it is essential to understand the specifics for emergency lights installations. These requirements vary depending on factors such as the size and layout of the building, the presence of potential hazards, and the number of occupants. Key considerations include illumination of exit doors, staircases, and directional changes. Also, the provision of emergency signage for rapid identification of exit routes. Lighting for critical areas such as first aid stations, fire alarm triggers, and extinguisher locations. Ensuring visibility along escape routes, corridors, and intersections. The installation of emergency lighting in areas exceeding certain dimensions, or even lacking natural light sources. Emergency lighting systems operate according to specific technical specifications to ensure optimal performance during emergencies. These specifications encompass factors such as light intensity, duration of operation, and battery backup capabilities. Key technical specifications also include illumination levels measured in lux, with emergency lighting typically operating at 1 lux to provide sufficient visibility for safe movement. Different types of emergency lighting systems, which include maintained, non-maintained, and combined systems, each serves distinct purposes and scenarios. Battery backup systems are used to ensure continuous operation during power outages, with options for rechargeable batteries and mains charged backups. For a very helpful and knowledgeable Bright Spark electrician to carry out a visual survey, and also to provide a free of charge quotation, please fill out our simple form on our website to visit your property. For further information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Telephone 01892531728. Email Karen@brightsparkelectrician.co.uk.